Today on How To Blinds, we'll show you how to install your perfect fit next generation roller and vision blind. First, we're going to install our brackets into each corner of the window using the perfect fit next generation guide card. We're going to use the short side of the card to install our bottom brackets, and then rotate the card and use the longer side to install our top brackets. If you don't have the next generation guide card, we can use a credit or debit card. Use the long side to install our brackets at the bottom of the window. Now take your tape measure, lock it at 122mm, and use the body of the tape as our guide for the top brackets. Place your tape against the top of the bead and install the bracket in line with the body as referenced. Now we can install the blind. Going from top to bottom, clip the frame into the brackets by lining up the punch holes. Your frame may land on the wrong side of the bracket, so just gently pull across and clip in. We can check the operation of the blind, and as you can see, the window is still fully operational. Your vision blind can be installed the exact same way, and both the roller and vision can be motorised. And that's how to install your perfect fit next generation roller and vision blind. To find out more on our new motorisation range, click the annotation on screen now. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.